Okay, today is the winter solstice, and I am going on a service call installing a pump in a Scotsman ice machine. And I'm going to take you guys along and see if you'd be interested. So stand by. Okay, here is the new pump. And there is the part number. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, here's the pump. Let's take off the top. All right. This thing is seized. This comes off from inside, and let's get ready for that. Okay, so here is what we have to do before we remove the pump. We have to take off these paddles, and there's a couple of thumb screws up here. There's one up here, and there's one up there. Hope you can see it. So you may have to use a pliers to loosen these. Let's see if I can do this. It's really hard for me to get in there. Okay, that's one. Let's see the other one up here. Okay. This whole thing should come out. It's supposed to just lift up. There it goes. Stuck. There it goes. Okay. That's what it looks like, so you know. That's the way it goes in, just like that. Now you have to lift up this platen, and there's a little seal in here, so you pick it straight up, like that. And you see this piece of tube here goes right into this pipe, and then your plastic hose that comes out of your pump is attached to the pump here. You want to disconnect this like that. You take that off. You can either take it off here, or you can take it off on the pump itself before you remove the pump out in the back. So that's how you remove the hose. So we put this back on. I'm going to line this up, line that tube up over there, make sure it's in there, and it just pushes down like that. And then you take your paddles here and you work this up and line up the thumb screws. It's not that bad. It's pretty easy to do. Sorry if you can't see this, I'm sorry, because I gotta work with two hands. It's really awkward to get up here with these big hands of mine. Okay, there you go. Okay, that takes care of that. Okay, just twist it, pull it right out. There's the new one. Exact match. That's it. Slots right into here like this. Okay, the door's back on, the panel is back on the back. We just have to put this back on. We'll screw in here. Goes up here. Okay, you just have to clean out that gook in there. Turn it on. All right, that's it.